allows you to understand how people think. As a lawyer, we all kind of live in a bubble. We think like lawyers, we look at things from a lawyer's perspective, and we look at things in terms of how the law will handle that. But that's not how everyone else looks at the world. And it's nice to get out and be among people who tell you what they're really thinking, how they view things, what their opinions are on anything from politics to gardening. And you get a better understanding of, who your friends and neighbors truly are. And it's very beneficial from a lawyer standpoint, because when you go to trial, you're in front of 12 butchers and bakers and candlestick makers who make up the jury. And they're not 12 lawyers, they are 12 normal people. And if you come at a jury with the mindset of a lawyer, you are going to lose them quickly, and you're not going to understand how they are going to perceive the information that you're providing. Because that's the other problem that we have as lawyers, is that we get blinded by our information and we think, okay, it's this way, and we see that way the whole time. And you put it in front of 12 people and they're seeing something totally different. And unless you really have some kind of experience among your neighbors to get a good idea of how they think, you're going to fail miserably in front of a jury.